Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes and today I want to show you 10 chords you should know. Those chords I just played for you are chords that especially beginners never get a hold of because they are not written in the books, they're not used in the songs that often. They're so beautiful and I think they're so worthwhile checking out, and they're in fact not that hard to play. And this is the fun part about it. Before I show you how the chords work, check out in the video description my free lessons for beginners. Definitely take a look there because you get all the basic stuff you need to start out on the guitar, no matter if you're playing an acoustic or an electric guitar. So let's start out with our first chord, C major 7, pretty easy one. Ring finger, 3rd fret, A string, middle finger, 2nd fret, D string, and don't play the low E string here. I find it so much more interesting than the regular C chord. And to have a little bit of a counterplay here, put down the pinky in the 3rd fret of the B string. C added 9. C major 7, C added 9. Let's check out the next one. A minor 7, 9. Sounds so complicated, but it's so easy. Don't play the low E string, but play the rest of the strings. And the index finger goes to the 5th fret of the D string, middle finger to the 5th fret of the G string. And chord number 4 is A minor 6, 9. Index finger goes from the 5th fret to the 4th fret. The middle finger stays in the 5th fret on the G string. Back to A minor 7, 9. Back to A minor 6, 9. 7, 9. 6, 9. The next pair of chords, chord number 5 and 6, is A major, added 9, middle finger 7th fret D string, index finger 6th fret G string, and don't play the low E string here again. And our counterpart here is ring finger 7th fret G string, A sus 4, 9. Back to A major added 9. And back again to A sus 4 added 9. And now going to chords 7 and 8, which are D major 7. I would like you to play it like this. Middle finger 2nd fret G string, index finger 2nd fret B string, and ring finger 2nd fret high E string. You can also play it with a bar chord here, tiny bar chord. And then we change to D major 6, which is just 2nd fret G string and 2nd fret E string, and we have an open D and a B string. With 3 fingers, D major 7, D major 6, or with a tiny bar chord. And last but not least, our two last chords. E minor 7, ring finger 7th fret A string, index finger 5th fret D string, and pinky 7th fret G string. All 6 strings, please. Now lift the pinky and push down with the middle finger the 6th fret of the G string. E minor 6. E minor 7. E minor 6. E minor 7. E minor 6. Play between those chords back and forth and try to develop your ears for those colors, especially when you're a beginner. Your ear is not capable of separating some colors. You might find that it sounds different, but with these kind of exercises you can really determine what's going to happen, and you really can dig into those colors, which I find is very important when it comes to music, that you just don't think in theory that much, but you just listen to colors. And this is so important, I think, to develop your ear and to develop the understanding of how chords can sound, what soundscapes you can have. And please have fun with this. This is so beautiful, and I think those chords are fairly easy compared to other things that teachers try to put into you when it comes to your first guitar lessons, complicated stuff. And I think this is beautiful and not that hard to do, because most of the chords just use 2 fingers. So go for it, have fun. Let me know what chords you like best in the comment section. I would love to hear and read from you about that. And don't forget, check out my free lessons for beginners, which you find below this video in the video description. A lot of cool stuff going on there too. I hope to see you there. And anyways, we see us in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.